morning, guys. We're in the supermarket, the only grocery store that's open. Everything's closed. We have something where the first and the second day after Christmas, which we celebrate on the evening of the 24th, all the grocery stores are gonna be closed. But thankfully, this one is supposedly gonna be open, so I'm gonna go get some milk, some ketchup for the eggs. Yeah. Damn, it's cold. When you're as hungry as I am right now, only one thing's gonna do, and that's roll those. Oh yeah. Let's get it. Some sugar on there. Some more sugar on there. Maybe a little bit of extra sugar on there. Okay. And then this milk, we gotta use it today or tomorrow. It basically expires today. I don't even know how they can legally sell this. Fuck it. It was cheap. We got enough milk for some tea and some pancakes later on. Let's go. Pancakes are a nice hack. You know, 200 grams of flour, that's 700 calories right there. So eating a lot of pancakes is actually a pretty good way to get some calories down. It's not the cheapest way though. You need milk and eggs. But fuck it. I'm gonna eat this now. Relax. Just have a chill morning. This is a pretty nice morning. I just woke up earlier than I used to. It's only like 8 a.m. right now. I guess I gotta apply for some more types of education today. I've been kind of slacking for the past 2 days. Damn, guys. I fell asleep and my friend was here and left a cigarette for me. I didn't even notice anyone was here. Yeah, I must have really been tired after yesterday. Eating some late breakfast. Just chilling out. Ah, guys. I slept most of the day away. Actually, Jason called me earlier this afternoon. Talked to him and Natya. They want to meet up with me in the new year, one of the days in early January. So I guess I'm finally going over there again. But this night, guys, I'm telling you, I was just so sick. Like I would keep waking up and like rushing to the bathroom to puke. And then when I was done puking, I'd start freezing and immediately rush back to my sleeping bag and then fall asleep. And it was just like that 5 times or so tonight. Oh my god, it was miserable. And then I basically just woke up when Natya and Jason called me. And then I went back to bed again afterwards. I was too tired. Haven't eaten anything. Just had a few bottles. Let's get it. I just got some cheap foods like rye bread and 5 krona Danish liver paste. But I also got one of them cheap sodas, the discount sodas. Oh my god. Really helps when you're sick. I don't know if it actually does or if it's just a placebo, but anytime I drink Coke, specifically the name brand stuff, I always feel better. Oh my god. I can immediately feel it entering my brain. think I needed that for a while. Eating some Danish liver pate heated up in the oven on rye bread and drinking some more Coke. It's helping me. I'm feeling a lot better already. Finally to the point where I feel like eating.